We are at the beginning of the Needles Highway here in South Dakota, and there is a $20 park entrance fee for Custer State Park to drive through. It's a 7-day pass. Of course, we're just going to be driving through on one day, but we stopped here at the general store in Sylvan Lake just to see what it looks like. And as you can see, it's just beautiful scenery around here. Wow. We're at the beginning of the Wildlife Loop Road. We'll see if we see any wildlife today, besides us. Think. All right, Wildlife Loop Road. Get a view like this up here. Wow. Wildlife Loop. All these big open fields. No wildlife. Still on the Wildlife Loop. Big open fields. Grassy lands. Not one single wildlife anywhere. Nothing. Wildlife Loop Road. Here we are out in the middle of it. And we've been driving along, and there's absolutely no wildlife anywhere. I don't know what the deal is. Or, not just where's the beef, but where's the buffalo? Nothing. All right, the first wildlife we've seen, there's a bunch of burros out here in the field. Oh boy. Looks like a tourist attraction. I didn't come out here to see burros. Hey, finally something worth mentioning. We have antelope.
my God.
Finally. All these people. Well, this is it. This is the show. Turn around and go back now.
Yeah. Wow. I did that, babies.